Guys, this is Will with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and today I'll share a little bit about these new screen protectors we have available on in our store. The link should be in the description below. Also, I'll be installing one of these screen protectors to your specific iPhone model. Here's the array of different models that we carry currently. You can find this on our website for any of these models. So let's take a look here. First, we see that this screen protector has a 9H surface hardness. And what 9H surface hardness means is that, or rather what 9H means is 9H comes from the scale or the spectrum that rates the hardness of a pencil. So 9H would be on the furthest right, or the extreme hardest pencil rating. And what this means to your screen protector is that your screen protector will not scratch from a pencil that is rated at 9H. This could be also translated to pocket items such as keys, paper clips, coins, stuff like that. So this provides a good shielding from and is scratch resistant to many sharp items. Next, we have a oleophobic coating. What this also means is that this reduces fingerprint smudging, oils, stuff like that. 2.5D curved edge. This is mainly an aesthetic part of the screen, which means that the perimeter of the screen will have a curved edge so that your finger will not catch on it and you will not cut yourself. Let's take a look inside the screen protector packaging. When you open it up, first you have instructions here, and you have a little cleaning kit and installation kit. First thing in this kit is a sort of looks like a pick or a whatever you want to call it. This here serves two functions that I can think of. First is you can use this to pry up your current screen protector that is cracked. If you don't really have fingernails, you can use this to pry that up. Also, in the end of the screen installation process, use this to push out air bubbles that's under your screen protector. Next, we have isopropyl alcohol wipes to clean the surface of your screen. We have a microfiber to dry the surface of your screen, and a dust absorber that you can use to peel this absorber, and it'll stick it to the screen, peel it up, and it'll lift up any dust left on the screen. And so this is the first part of the video. The next part of the video, whichever iPhone model you have selected or clicked for this video, we'll install that screen protector for your specific model. Open this packaging, and let's use the little cleaning kit here to clean the screen, clean the residue and oils off of the screen. First, let's grab our isopropyl alcohol wipes. And get rid of grease, dust, stuff like that off your screen. Also, if you have a screen or a case on your phone, it helps to remove it to have a flush access to the screen and get all of the edges cleaned. Alright, next you can use this microfiber to dry it off. Also, if you're having trouble getting all of the dust out, You can use this dust absorber, use it as a piece of tape, lay it down, and it absorbs dust. Now to the screen protector. We have two sides to peel. There's a step A side and a step B side. Step A side comes first, which is the side that gets in contact with the screen. Just peel that. So the way that you can get this aligned is to hold it in this fashion right here, and just to look at the edges when they are relatively even, and drop the screen protector onto the phone. Now remove the top film. You can use this card to get out any remaining bubbles that are in the screen. And a nice little hack that you can use if there's some bubbles that are not wanting to come out, use this card to pry up the closest edge to the air bubble and get that air bubble out of there. And there you have it, guys. iPhone X screen protector installment. The link is in the description for this screen protector. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.